Athanasian Creed, Episode 9. Similiter omnipotens pater, omnipotens filius, omnipotens spiritus sanctus. Et tamen non tres omnipotentes, sed unus omnipotens. The Creed continues and says, similiter. This is an adverb derived from the adjective similis, and it means similar or in a similar fashion. So similarly, or likewise, the Father is all-powerful, omnipotens. Here we would provide est, the third singular of the verb esse, the irregular verb. Likewise, the Father is all-powerful. The Son, omnipotens, all-powerful, the Holy Spirit, spiritus sanctus. Each one of these is masculine singular nominative, the adjective repeated 3 times, omnipotens, and then the noun, pater, filius, and spiritus, modified by sanctus. Each one masculine singular and nominative. Pater is a third declension noun, filius is second, and spiritus is, as I've said before in this series, it's fourth. The nominative is spiritus, like so, and the genitive spiritus, fourth declension. And yet, and nevertheless, there are not 3 non tres omnipotentes. Non tres sunt omnipotentes. There are not 3 that are all-powerful or omnipotent, but there is one, unus omnipotens. There is one all-powerful or omnipotent. And this, of course, is the combination of the adjective omnis, omne, here's the masculine and feminine form, the neuter form, third declension adjective, and the adjective potens, which is cognate with posse, to be able, to have the ability, to have power.